Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of a Shopify store to someone else. This is helpful if you are giving the store to a client, a business partner, or a new owner. Before we start, make sure you are logged in as the current store owner. You need to be the store owner to do this. Also, make sure the person you want to give the store to is already added as a user in your Shopify store. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify account. After you log in, open the store that you want to transfer. Make sure you are in the right store, especially if you have more than one Shopify store in your account. Once you are inside the store, look at the left side menu and go to Settings. Step 2, go to Users. Inside Settings, look for Users. Click on Users. This is where you can see the people who have access to your store. You will see the store owner and other users who have been added to your store. Step 3, click the current store owner. Now, find the current store owner. Click the name of the current store owner. Remember, you must be the current owner to change the store owner. If you are not the owner, you will not be able to complete this step. Next, find the store owner section. After you open the current owner profile, if you have subscribed to the plan, you can look for the section that shows the store owner role. This section shows who owns the store right now. Look for the option that says Change Ownership. Click on Change Ownership when you see it. Next, enter the new email address. A small window will open. In this box, type the email address of the person you want to give the store to. Make sure the email is correct. Also, make sure this person is already added as a user in your Shopify store. If they are not added yet, you need to add them first before you can make them the store owner. Next, confirm the change. After you enter the new email address, check everything one more time. Make sure you are transferring the store to the right person. Once you are sure, click the button to change the store ownership. Shopify may ask you to confirm your account again. If that happens, just follow the steps shown on the screen. This is only to make sure the store owner is really the one making the change. After the transfer is done, tell the new owner to log in and check the store. They should be able to open the store, see the settings, and manage the store as the new owner. Once they are the new owner, they will have control of the store. They can manage the store settings, billing, users, and other store details. Lastly, check your access after transfer. After you transfer the store, your access may change. You might still have access if the new owner keeps you as a user, but if they remove your access, you will no longer be able to manage the store. So before transferring the store, make sure everything is ready. Make sure your work is done, and make sure the new owner understands what they need to do next. And that is how you transfer ownership of a Shopify store to someone else. It's a simple process, but make sure you enter the correct email and transfer the store to the right person. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.